I want to break down the idea that I have here for EURUSD, combining the dollar currency index, the DXY, and the EURUSD chart. Now we'll invert the dollar currency index chart, and you will see here an almost perfectly correlated chart. Now let's take a look at the EURUSD here to get that perspective in, right? So we are looking for a potential high time frame long-term bottom for the dollar. You could view this as distribution. So you have a downtrend, maybe leading into accumulation. This is where we call them the smart money. They enter the market, price pushes higher. This is the public participation phase. This is where the rest of the market enter. Prices go into distribution. This is where the smart money starts distributing what they bought down here. And then the general public is left holding the bag here. Smart money has exited, and then the public starts selling as well. And that leads to a prolonged selling period. That's pretty much what the Dow Theory tells us about technical analysis, and that is the foundation for my type of trading. So we have a V-shaped recovery here, could call this a distribution. We have a massive range right here, breaks below the range lows, creates an accumulation zone right here, price breaks above the accumulation high, and then starts what I would call the public participation phase, or the bull market for EURUSD that was created in the beginning of this year. And then here we create higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, kind of higher low structure, higher high. And now we start to see that this low right here, it's much closer to the previous low than what that low was to that one and what that low was to that one. And this tells us that the momentum of the move is slowing down. On the higher time frames, I'm seeing a rather likely move for EURUSD in the next weeks or months to start trading back down towards 1.12 and potentially even lower.